Guys, it's Jordan1 here today, and today we are recording, doing a makeover of the Winter Palace. So we are just going to decorate this den, not the full den, but we're just going to be doing a little bit of a den makeover. So I just want you guys to know that I've already done some of this den, but I'm going to clear it all out, so I'm going to go into this, and we're going to clear it all out quickly, because as you can see right here, I've already done it. So let's clear it in. Okay guys, so now we're going to start doing our den makeover. So first, of course, I need to add a statue of me, because this is what I'm actually wearing in my snow leopard, but I am not wearing a scarf, so. And I love making dens. I just love it. So I'm gonna do a color theme rooms. So this is obviously gonna be the pink room. And I'm gonna find a ton of pink things and put them in here. But one thing is that we're not just gonna add pink things, we're also going to add other things as well. I don't know what this is. I drew that, and I drew this, but I didn't know what I was doing, so. Just ignore that. So, yes, I'm gonna add some pets in, but yeah, not too many pets. Just a couple of pets that match the color theme. And I can't do this because then they'll go, oh, look, I'm not gonna do it anyway. So guys, but yeah, I'm just not gonna do it anyway. You'll hear a lot of stuff in the background because you'll just hear a lot of stuff in the background. I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah. And so the last room obviously is gonna be a rainbow room, and I don't know why I said obviously, you wouldn't know. But yeah, the last one's going to be a rainbow room. That's not going in here, it's just going outside. Even though this is a winter one, like Winter Palace, nobody cares if it's winter. Animal Jam makes absolutely no sense. You can make no sense in your den, so that's what I'm doing. As you can, I'm not gonna click on that. I did not mean to click on that. So anyway. Okay, anyway. I have another tree. Wow. Why do I need so many trees in Animal Jam? Okay. Okay, I have another tree. I see 2 more trees. Why do I need so many trees? I don't know why I need so many trees. Anyway, so this is going to be like a rainbow house. It's going to be a lot of blue, obviously. But, because that's not actually my favorite color, but I didn't want to do blue. But I didn't want to do blue first. Sorry for that. I did not want to do blue first. I don't know why I'm adding this, but it's pink. So I have added it. So somebody likes pink? Come to this den. And yes, God, I don't know what I'm saying. Literally, guys. Okay. Are you serious? Let's just put this here. Oh no, I'm putting it here. Okay, sorry guys for that. Snow leopards just okay, there's a ton of snow leopards in here. There's 2 snow leopards in here and I have no idea why. But at least they're snowy. I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry for all of the falling clover things that I have. It's me, okay? So I have a ton of. So that is my pink room right there. So I hope you like the pink room. Let's get on to the next room now. Sorry, it's just really laggy. I don't know why. It's so laggy. Okay, now this room over here, this one I'm talking about, that one's going to be a blue room. Okay, so let's do the blue room. Let's see what blue things I have. I can't find anything blue. I'm not doing underwater things. I'm not doing any underwater things. If you just say hi, that was my mum. So, oh, this is blue. Okay. What other blue things do I have? I have this. This is where one of the pets is gonna go. I bet you do. I bet you knew. Okay, anyway. This is supposed to be a pink sofa, but obviously it's totally a pink sofa. It's totally not a blue one. Okay. Okay, I have another one. I feel like putting it in here because it's blue, you know. Okay. Now. Plushie. I'm going to show that plushie. Okay, you guys can't see it. That's because it's really laggy and really slow. So, it's not showing up. But it will show up in 13 years. Yeah, you know what I mean. I'm not doing all the rooms. I was like, I'm not doing all the rooms, but anyway, I'm actually not doing all the rooms. I'm just doing these ones, I think, and then the rainbow one. So yeah, I'm not doing too much. Don't know what that was. But anyway, I'm not doing too much, as I said. And yeah, I'm just not doing too much. So hope you guys like it, cause in like real life it takes ages to do. Like, not really, but I don't know why I just had to. But anyway, it actually takes ages to do. Even though, to you guys, it doesn't even look ages to do. But for me, it takes a long time. So, yeah. Yeah. Wait, why do I have this in my den? I don't want the spring window. Okay, I feel like that's it for this one. Oh, I'll add this. The last thing. Oh. Sorry, guys. Oh, why can't I put it up? Please put it up, please. Fine, then I won't put you up. So that is the blue room. Now, the last room, the rainbow room. Let's get to the rainbow room. Okay, so this is the rainbow room. The last room we are doing. So you can see there is still this bit up here, but we're not using that. So we're just going to do the rainbow room, because there's not enough time to do all of the other rooms. So guys, yeah, I'm so sorry. And I actually feel this will work. This was the first thing I saw, and it's rainbow. So I don't know why I came up with this thing, because that said plushy. But anyway, sorry, it was just really laggy, as I said. Please. Okay. So I am finally 3 minutes left, gosh. But anyway, I feel like that will work. That's rainbow. There's a lot of candy in the rainbow room. I don't know why, but because this is a candy room. No, I'm kidding. It's still a rainbow. I can't find anything. Oh, this mouse is rainbow. This mouse plushie. Okay, now we have to add this. This is a rainbow. Oh, yeah, there's balloons here that I really want to add. I'm gonna add this. I don't care if this is a pathway, this is just gonna be in the middle of the room. Oh, this could work. Hanging horseshoes. Pretty small. I thought it was going to be bigger than that. And no, it's not, but at least it's rainbow. Wow. I don't want to say that's rainbow because I don't want to have to taste of things in this rainbow. Oh gosh. Okay. So let's add these butterflies in now. I guess they're not really rainbow, but it would work, okay? Don't offend the butterflies. Or this, the disco one. That's rainbow.